Ford doesn't have as much ignition-related scan data as other manufacturers, but there are some data bits we can look at, so let's look at them. The profile ignition pickup, the PIP, tells us that the crankshaft position sensor is working because the signal, as you can see, comes from the crankshaft position sensor to the PCM and then on to scan data. Key on engine off, PIP should show you off. Engine running, the PIP should show on. If not, go test the crankshaft position sensor. The sensor also gives us RPM. So if PIP data bit or RPM is not correct, you're going to have to go test the crankshaft position sensor and its circuits. The Misfire malfunction data bit reports no if the PCM has not seen any misfires. It reports yes if there are misfires present. In addition to engine data, you can go to mode 6 and see some ignition scan data. Here you can see in the top one, we're pointing to cylinder number 5 misfire, and then we're saying yes, it passed. The test passed. And then in the bottom one, the test failed. So to do mode 6 testing, go to mode 6 in the Ford Special Test menu.